How to fix your mobile data is on but the internet is not working on your Android. Now in order to fix this issue, just simply open your settings application and go over connections setting. Now after going into the connection settings, you just simply need to open this mobile networks option. Tap to mobile networks and it will lead you to this page. Now after coming into this page, you can see a lot of options. Now one of those is this network mode. Now network mode is very important thing because if you have selected 3G option here and your phone only works while using 4G and 5G in a good speed, you would like to select 4G or 5G from here. Now the other thing might be if your data pack only works on 4G or 5G but you are using 3G network mode from the 5G data. In that case, the data won't work until you switch it to the 5G option. Just simply try switching your network modes and see if the data works. Otherwise, change your APNs or you can select the network operators by selecting manually. Do all this and your problem might be fixed.